All right. Okay, folks, it's Poppason here. I got me a project that I'm going to do here at the house. We got this sprayer that a buddy of mine bought at a garage sale. It's got a few problems on it. I'm going to try to change. It had a bad hose on it. You can tell right there, bad. It ain't no good, and hose is real short. Yeah, it's one of the cheap factory ones that you get. Okay, now, and I bought a coupling right under here so I can attach my water hose to it without cutting the end of it off. And they got no place to roll up the hose for the gun. So I got this cheap water hose attachment. I'm going to put it right here so I can roll up my hose. I got a new gun that I'm going to use. I got me a 50-foot hose. I got some soap. I got a cannon. Oh yeah, we got all kinds of stuff we're going to do. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay. Just taking a screw just to mark the hole. Nothing fancy. file. Well, let's go ahead and put this on. Size is that? That's 3/8. Okay, that's it. That's good and sturdy. Let's go ahead and see about our hose. Alright folks, I found one of my problems. This thing was leaking fuel out of it. And what I had, there was a crack. As you can see right there, there was a crack where I got all that. I welded it back together. But that's where my fuel was coming out. Yeah, it was just leaking all over the darn place. As I was going to buy a whole new cover, but I decided what the hell. I got to looking at things and I found this right here. And there's the tip that goes on it, where that it heats up, and you can smooth the plastic back together. And it comes with some plastic fillers that you can use kind of like you're soldering or brazing. But yeah, that's what I done. I took that and these pieces of plastic and I welded it back together. Okay, that was something I found that I fixed. I wanted to let y'all see it. Okay. All right. Okay, that's got that. I'm gonna go ahead and, yeah, I better unroll this. Okay, folks, as you can see, that is a 50-foot hose. I should be able to reach anywhere with that. Okay, let me go ahead and roll it up on here. Now that's nice and neat. Okay. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed. This was one of my little bitty projects. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this right up here to hold all the nozzles. And I hope you enjoyed, and hope you might have got something out of it or some ideas. Okay, we'll catch you later. Bye.